Antonio Maria Giovinazzi is an Italian racing driver currently competing in Formula 1 for Alfa Romeo Racing. He was the 2015 FIA Formula 3 European Championship runner-up and raced with Prema in the 2016 GP2 Series, again finishing runner-up with 5 wins and 8 overall podiums. Giovinazzi was chosen by Scuderia Ferrari to be their third and reserve driver for the 2017 season. He made his competitive debut for Sauber at the 2017 Australian Grand Prix, replacing the injured Pascal Wehrlein. He also replaced Wehrlein at the following Chinese Grand Prix as Wehrlein continued his recovery. Giovinazzi signed a contract to race full-time for Alfa Romeo Racing in 2019. He is to leave the team at the end of the 2021 season. Giovinazzi began karting in 2000. In 2006, he became the champion in the Italian National Trophy 60cc and Euro Trophy 60 championships. He was champion of the WSK Master Series in the KF2 class in both 2010 and 2011. Giovinazzi began his single-seater career by competing in Formula Pilota China in 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.